हाय गाइस, दिस इज मैं हूं सुधीर घाघरे। आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल एजू टॉक पे सुधीर में फिर से स्वागत है। लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने अज्योर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी की तरफ से आए हुए स्वैग्स को की अनबॉक्सिंग की थी, और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि हाउ डू आई केम टू नो अबाउट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड हाउ टू अप्लाई फॉर दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी। सो बिना किसी टाइम वेस्ट किए लेट्स बिगिन। सो फ्रेंड, एज यू कैन सी दैट करेंटली हम अज्योर डेवलपर कम्युनिटी के वेबसाइट पर आ चुके हैं। सो बेसिकली आई this here are the speakers, and let's get directly into the point. This was a short intro about Azure Developer Community. Now here you can see a become an organizer button. So I had clicked on this become an organizer button. So here just a simple kind of a form gets opened up. So expression of interest, Azure Developer Community Organizer. For becoming Azure Developer Community Organizer, you can write your first name. I am writing here my first name, and yes, here you can write your last name, and you can provide your email address over here. So then they ask for your phone number, they ask for your LinkedIn profile. Then if you have any portfolio, then you have to keep you can give the link of that portfolio over here. And there is some minor question which will be asked, like why do you want to become an Azure Developer Community Organizer. So do you have prior experiences in managing communities or organizing community events, etc., etc., kind of questions they usually used to ask over here. And after submitting this form, you receive an mail or interview call. There 15 to 20 minutes your interview will be happening, and after that you get an onboarding mail. That's how I got to know about Azure developer community. So I hope you I am able to explain everything about every nitty gritty of how I became Azure developer community organizer. Then they once you became an Azure developer community organizer, you are handled with swags.